Hello everyone. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to do aura scanning using a digital aura scanner and how you can check Vastu and the directions energy using the digital aura scanner. So first of all, once you log in the last video we have discussed about how to log in and how to register, as well as how to register your devices with your email ID and mobile number. So now we will be discussing how to do aura scanning of a place. So here we have at our home screen two options available: place and the person. So place means the location where we want to do aura scanning. So here we have to enter all the details of the locations where we want to do aura scanning, and for the person we need to enter all the details of the person whom we are doing aura scanning for. So now in the place form we will be entering the location's name. So like this is our office, so like we will be writing office here. We need to enter a mobile number, so I am entering my mobile number here. Then we need to enter the address and the location. So here we will be entering the city name and the state name. Then submit. So once you click submit, you will be redirected to the next screen where it is showing a message: the survey has been started. You have to click OK. Now we have to connect both the devices with Bluetooth. So here on the top we can find device 1 is not connected and device 2 is not connected. So here turn on the mobile phone's Bluetooth and click on device 1 not connected. So once you click on device 1 not connected, so you have two options available for the available Bluetooth devices. So you have to turn on the button show only UDS devices. So once you click on show only UDS devices, then click on scanner 1. So once you click on scanner 1 and your scanner beeps, that means it is connected. Also on the screen of the scanner you can find a connected button there. So next you have to connect the second Bluetooth device. Click on device 2 not connected, then the second device is available, then click on scanner 1 again, then the second scanner beeps. So this means the second scanner is also connected. One time beep means it connected. So now we will be checking positive energy and negative energy of this place. So now we have to go to Vastu. Once you click Vastu, you will find options like positive energy, negative energy, Nazar Dosh, Bandhan Dosh and Pishach. So to check these basic energies, we have to click on value 1. So clicking on value 1, we will be getting the values here. So now we have to lift the scanner. So this is the basic fundamental which you have to always remember, that the scanner should be lifted at an angle of 85 degrees. So clicking on the value 1 and then lifting to the scanner at an angle of 85 degrees, that means the scanning has been started. So now you have to click on value 1. Here I am clicking on value 1. So once I have clicked on value 1, the scanning has been started, and now I have to lift it stably at an angle of 85 degrees. So now what happens? The scanner starts moving. So once the scanner starts moving, that means the scanning has been started. So here the scanning is completed and we got a result for 58%. That means this place is currently 58% positive. So now we will be scanning for negative energy. Again the process is same. Click on negative energy. So once you click on negative energy, again lift the scanner stably and smoothly. So now here the result is 39%. So here you can get a result on the scanner screen as well as in the mobile phone. So here we will be submitting this and moving towards the directions values. So for checking the direction, we will be sitting here and checking all the directions. So here we have 16 directions option. For as of now, because of this short video, we will be checking only 4 directions: east, west, north and south. So first of all, click on east, then you have to lift the scanner steadily and slowly. Once it is stable, the movement begins and the result will appear once the scanner starts beeping. So this time the first beep has come. So beep means the scanning has been started. So here we are checking the energy of the directions. The more the value it is, the more the energized direction is. So here we have the value of 55 degree. That means this direction of east is 55% positive. Now we are checking for west. So again west is 55% positive. Now we are checking for north. So north is 75% positive. You can see it on the screen. Now we are checking for south. South is again 55% positive. That means we need to do some rectification in these three directions. So in next video we will be telling you how to energize the directions and how to gain more results in this. Thank you.